Okay, so it's one of those weird ones. See, we have a sensor supply 2 circuit, EGR valve position circuit. Let's see, so this is pretty much just for the EGR valve, little whatever. Loss of the EGR valve, position sensor supplier block, blah blah. So, I mean, let's see what the troubleshooting says. Never mind, sensor supply code's active, yeah. So yes. It's pretty much how I always learned to do this code, was start unplugging stuff. So that just means that one of the sensors in this circuit is shorting out. So pretty much what I'm gonna do is start just kind of unplugging a few things and we'll kind of go from there. There you go, so here's what I did. I had an active code for the sensor right here. But it's like 3 different types of codes, like shorting out. See, the EGR valve even started making a little bit more noise now. So you can listen to them. Anyway, there you go. And now after I unplugged them, see, even the EGR valve code went away. So now we just got the code for the unhooked sensor itself. So look, see, the sensor supply circuit went inactive and the EGR valve position circuit went inactive. Just so we can make sure, I plugged in the new one. Right there, exhaust gas pressure sensor. It's always good to make sure of your work. And I'm pretty positive it's the correct problem, but always good to make sure. Alright, look at that. No new codes. See, so I plugged in the new sensor. Everything's gone. See that? You can just look at this one, how old this one is, because that one can leave you stranded. 16731 is current ECM time, so that's over 200 hours ago, so that code will be fine. So yeah, it's pretty much a little lesson, quick little video that a lot of people ask for, just to show me diagnosing. So yeah, I'll even just make sure for you guys, I'll reset the faults, I'll go replace it, and I'll start the truck up and make sure you guys see that that was actually the problem. So turn key switch off, click OK, waiting 100 seconds. Let me go replace it. I was making its correct noise, kind of get used to what kind of noise it's supposed to make. Out with the old, in with the new. Let's go check it out. Here's for what you guys are wondering. Exhaust gas pressure sensor. Here's a part number. See, it's nice to keep parts on you. Customer's like, you want me to go get it? I said, I have everything. So, right there, quick repair. Let's go check it out. Oh, look at that. No faults found. Just to make sure, we'll start it up. So we're gonna go ahead and do an update. So you go here, you go and make a work order, but I'm gonna put my phone down just to security purposes of like customer's name or whatever. Don't want to have any problems anymore. Then we go to calibration selection, and then we're back to this. So we make sure we got an EF 145.36 and we're going to a EF 145.42. So we go ahead and do is transfer to ECM, and then we hit next. That's what you currently have. Kind of tells you what you're going from and what you're going to. We want to make sure those numbers match. Click next. You're about to make changes. Okay. And then it goes ahead and goes to work. So here's kind of what goes on with these updates. So every so month, see September, March, May, June, and then June again. Cummins lets out a update. Reduces engine surging, blah, disable fault code 595983151. So this kind of shows you what each update does. And before anyone you guys ask where I get my calibrations, this is a full version of Cummins. Pretty much, you know, you connect to the internet, you get your calibrations, and that's what you do. So the newest one is 42 in June of 2018, so they haven't let one out in a while for this truck, but the older the trucks get, like the lesser they let them out. So we're gonna go ahead and save this one and transfer it to the truck. All right, so just to recap, we're doing an update. We replaced this sucker was shorting out. So you can definitely tell it was an electrical code, not because there was like anything mechanically wrong with it. Replaced it right there. This is a new one. So this and this are like same part numbers, but this one's just like mainly for, I don't know how to explain it, they're different functions, but that one, your truck will run like shit if that one's going out. So even through, so this and like the actuator and this and the EGR valve are like all in one circuit. So if like I've had that happen multiple times, the easiest thing to do is like start unhooking stuff and you'll most likely find the problem. So yeah, even like, you know, when you turn the key on a Cummins, the EGR valve starts humming. So you can definitely tell you couldn't hear it, and when I unplugged it, it definitely started going louder. So could kind of tell that was a problem. So I'm glad that was an easy fix. We're gonna finish up this update and the truck will be ready to go to work tomorrow. Easy fix, easy money. That's what we like. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. I decided to make a quick video. I'm glad that I actually pulled my camera out. This is the kind of stuff that I know you guys want to see. Yeah guys, stay tuned. I'm getting more comfortable. I want to get more comfortable, and I want to make more videos for you guys. And like I said before, I'm starting to enjoy these. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one.